Hi guys, I'm Joy from Tutorial Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download any paid book for free. So don't miss this video and watch till the end to learn how to do it. Let's start. First go to browser and search bookok.org. It is the website. Here you can see search box. You can type your book name and search it. Also, here is the categories and recently added. Go to search box, type your book name. And click the search button. Here are your result. Now select the book you want. As you can see, here the writer name and download link in here. Now you can save the file and click save, and you can have or download the book. If you want to know other websites, then comment down below. If this video is helpful for you, then give a like, make a comment, and if you need more of this type of video, hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon. Thanks for watching.